So the three ideas it is clashing here in not only in France, all the European country, especially in France, we can see radicals, liberals, as well as the conservatives. Then we are going to see the next topic, that is the industrial revolution and social change. When it is starting one industry here, what will happen? That already we know that one is starting of urbanization, because if there is one factory here, this is the factory, and because of that one we can see the quarters of the workers, school and hospital of the workers, and shopping area of the workers, then their playground, and like that things it is developing. With that it may develop like that another some area like that, business, insurance, then banking, like that facilities in increasing, then slowly it is increasing transportation, communication, like that it is slowly it is developing as a city. It is developing to a city. If you are starting a factory in a village area, slowly it will develop as a city. So the main in the industrial society, maximum the industries where they started, that is becoming the urban society. So the culture interchange, it is happening very fast there in the society, where we are saying like that city society or town society. In the society we can see that fast changes of culture. So the industrial area, now if you are thinking here in Karur area, we have many industries are there. Paper industry, paper factory is there, then sugar factory is there, then many cotton factories are there. So what happened here, if you are thinking like the different area people, this is Karur area, and it is coming, Keralites came here, then Karnataka people came here, Bihari people came, Odisha people came, then Maharashtra people came, then other some business people came, banking and insurance people came, and different school systems started. Like that many changes happened, and Karur become one of the big city, means not like Salem and Chennai, that I am sure, but it developed as like a big city, and we can see it is a municipality also. So that much population we can see there in the district quarters itself. So with that one, this and because of the factory, different factories we know, paper factory, then sugar factory, then cement factory, like the different factories are there here nearby Karur area. It is all around 15 to 20 kilometers of Karur. So the city developed very fast, and it become very largest city. Okay, so what happened, that's why we can see the culture of the people, because the different state people they are coming and staying together, and different agencies they are coming, different BPOs they are coming came here, and what we can say, banking, insurance, schools, hospitals, then different state people all together we are coming and staying. That's why what is happening, the cultural interchange it is happening. Like that situation we can see there in Europe also. Not only the political trend of that time, we can see the social and economical changes because of the industrial revolution. Not only industrial revolution, because of this French revolution and after its impact like that. And some of the area where cities came up and the new industrial regions developed. Not only one city, many cities developed. With that we can see the even the industry starting in the village, because of the presence of or availability of the raw material. Then what will happen, that's why the railway it will develop. Then because of the industrial area, factory, many people will come and stay there near to that. That's why slowly it is developing again small towns, and slowly it will become the large towns. Industrialization brought men, women, and children to the factories. On that time, even ladies was working. Still we can see many ladies are working, children's also working, and we are saying about the child labor, but we can see in many industrial sector the children's also working. Then the working hours that was very long, so they can't go away from the factory, they want to stay settle nearby the factory itself. Then unemployment was the common thing there in Europe, due to different reasons. Then that's why what happened, when the industry came, the people thought like that, even though if the factory people they are asking for 15 hours work or 12 hours work, the people was ready to work for the employer, because they want to get some job, because unemployment was very common in that area, not only there, everywhere. And because of that one, what happened, they came and settled near to the factory. That's why they started to face the problem of housing, sanitation in the growing towns, especially that they was growing very fast. So the liberals and radicals, they started to think about to solve the problem of that one, the especially the housing and sanitation problem of the new towns. Who is thinking? Liberals and radicals. Then almost all industries were were the property of the individual. Each and some of the individual or one individual was handling the property. Means individual property was common for the, for European people, even here in India. So the liberals and radicals, they themselves taken the they taken with their property, they are starting the factories, or they was working in the factories. Radicals, they are saying like that we want to get a change in the society, but they was the owners of the factory as well as employers of the factory. And having made their wealth and through trade and industrial ventures, they felt that such effort should be encouraged. They are saying like that the people, they are those who are ready to work hard work, and they are ready to start the industrial new industries, and government, all the people want to support that, and the benefit should achieve to the workforce also. What they are saying like that, the what we can say, cooperative societies, what we are having nowadays, the starting thinking, it came there in Europe in 18th century itself. And we can see that it should reach to the workforce, the people those who are working, the benefit should reach to the people, and that because of that benefit, they should become healthy as well as educated citizen. They are the radicals and liberals, they are asking like that the benefit of the factory, it should reach to the workforce, and which will should help the people to be healthy as well as the educated situation, should not give any privilege to the aristocrat people, or those who are having wealth before itself. And the individual then they are thinking like that individual effort, each and every people want to work, they are should do hard work and labor and enterprise. Even though we are workers, we can start some other new activities like that. And the freedom of individuals are ensured, means the individual freedom, they want to get a maximum individual freedom, like that they started to think. Then if the poor could labor, and those who with capital could operate without resistance, even though they are either poor people, they are giving their physical work as a capital, and the owners of the factory, they are giving money as a capital, but it should reach, the benefit should reach to the each and every people. That's why we can see the we can make the development very fast, like that they are thinking. Many working men and women wanted to change the in the world, relied around the liberals and radicals, means the workers group, especially the downtrodden, or the those who was disadvantaged workers group, they was ready they was supporting the liberals and radicals, because they are saying like that we need changes in the society. And the nationalist, the people those who are thinking about making the nation, the nationalists, liberals and radicals together, they are thinking about the wanted revolution, different revolutions we want to make. And we want to make the establishment of government, we want to keep make government here, and put an end of the kind of the government what already what type of government they are having, monarch government or dictator government, that we want to stop it, and we want to start a new government, like that they are saying. And this part what we are saying, this one you want to study in 10th standard, establishment of means making the unification of Italy, Germany and Britain, three countries we want to study here. It is we are going to discuss other some more countries also. In France, Italy, Germany and Russia, they become revolutionaries and work to overthrow the existing monarchs, the kings, the Chakravartis, or the different kings, like that, the monarchy group, they wanted to overthrow with the help of radicals, liberals, and nationalist people. The nationalists talked of the revolution would be create nation. They are thinking, the nationalist people, they are saying like that, creation of nation, and they are thinking about equal rights. If we are starting a nation, then each and every individual, we will all of them will get equal rights. So one of the famous person, 1857, Mazzini, Giuseppe Mazzini of Italian nationalists, he is making the conspired with the with others to achieve this in Italy. Mazzini starting the development of unification of Italy, and they are thinking like that, we can make Italy as a nation. That was the first country started to do like that. That is in 1815. That time we was under the British rule. We was never started to think about means to make India like that. That time we was under the British rule, we was suffering, and we are starting our struggle against British people. That is 1857, that you have studied a 8th standard already in history. So before that itself, the people of European continent, they started to think about making the nation. So we'll continue in next video.